Friends, Namo Buddhaya. Welcome to Rational Revolution channel, a platform where reason meets resistance, where history speaks and justice echoes. I am Dr. Indrajit Singh, a lifelong student of truth, Buddhism, and social justice. This channel is dedicated to exposing the roots of caste based discrimination, spreading the message of equality, liberty, and fraternity, and celebrating the teachings of Gautam Buddha, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Periyar, and many more forgotten revolutionaries. In a world flooded with myths, hate, and inequality, we bring facts, reason, and compassion. Whether you are from India, America, Africa, or Europe, operation may wear different faces, but the fight is the same. Here, we ask bold questions, we challenge blind faith, and we raise the voice of those who have been silenced. So, if you believe in the human dignity, rational thinking, Buddhist values of wisdom and compassion, and an inclusive caste free world, then this channel is for you. Subscribe now and join the rational revolution, because silence is not neutrality and change begins with awareness. Let's rise together, not with violence but with knowledge and courage. Thank you. Let the revolution of reason begin. Subscribe for truth and justice, rational revolution, because we deserve better. New videos every week. Stay tuned. Namo Buddhaya.